One thing I realized recently is that when you go to pub now, like people do a lot of things, they dance and all. I go in formals. This is my usual attire. Sometimes I sleep in formals. I'm a very formal guy. So once I went to this pub to celebrate my friend's birthday. All 6-7 of us were there. I was sitting at the table. All my friends started dancing. Now I was there at the table. I don't know what to do. I was just sitting alone in my formal dress. Now I want to belong. I want to dance too. So I thought, okay, I'll do something. Everybody in the pub was dancing. I just stood up in the formals. I thought at least one step I can manage. And in the formal dress, I started doing this. Now I realized that when you are wearing formals, now you can't keep doing this. It looks very weird. You know, like it looks very weird, man. And afterwards, everybody started looking at me, but they were like ignoring me also. And the waiter was going like he started taking some. What is this guy doing? And then he went out. So I started doing, and then one friend came and Rashika, what are you doing? So I'm trying to belong in a society which judges a person by his dancing skills rather than how good he is at heart. So this much overacting you don't do. This one step looks very weird. Add some other step also. And then he went off. Now he did not tell me which step. So I googled what are the greatest dance movements in the history of Indian cinema. One American step came. That Masti Ki Pathshala, you know, right? He keeps hitting bum like this. I thought, okay, I'll mix both now. So I started doing in the formal dress, I was like doing this, and every now and then. And the waiter who was going, he was like, he looked at me. And now this looks like an invitation. And the waiter is like, now I started doing this. Without me knowing, I invented a new step. Now I was doing all these three. Now this is like a step only, like I'm like getting better. Prabhu Deva. After a while, one more guy who was also dressed in formals, he came to me. Sir, what are you doing? I'm trying to belong in a society. Sir, I heard this when you were telling this to friends. But can I also join? Yeah, sure, done. And then he also started doing it. Now both of us, in formal dress, we are doing this. And every now and then we are doing this. And then every now and then we are doing this. And then two guys, if one guy does, that's weird, no? If two guys does, that's dance. After 20 minutes, there were 30 of us who are in formal dress. All of us are doing this. Now waiter was confused. Where did it start? Where did it come? He asked the manager, sir, what is happening? And manager was a very clever guy. He told, this is how our religion begins.